There's a waterfall more powerful than Niagara, and most people have never heard of it. This is Iguazú Falls, one of the greatest natural wonders on Earth. Located on the border between Argentina and Brazil, Iguazú stretches over 1.5 miles wide, with 275 separate cascades crashing through the rainforest. It's not just big, it's overwhelming, raw, beautiful, alive. In the native Guarani language, Iguazú means big water, but even that feels like an understatement. Every second, over 3 million gallons of water pour down these cliffs, surrounded by butterflies, birds, and the thick green jungle of South America. At the heart of the falls is the Devil's Throat, a U-shaped chasm that drops 260 feet. Stand near the edge and you can feel the vibration in your chest. The mist rises like smoke, the sound is deafening, and for a moment, time just stops. Iguazú is taller than Niagara, wider than Victoria Falls, and unlike anywhere else in the world. It's no wonder it was named a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new 7 natural wonders of the world. So, when's the best time to visit? March through May or August through October? Those months strike a perfect balance, fewer crowds and strong water flow. The Argentine side puts you close to the action with walkways above and below the falls. The Brazilian side gives you a wide, cinematic view from afar. The truth is, you need both to feel the full power of this place. And if you want a true adventure, take the boat ride beneath the falls. It's wild, soaked clothes, adrenaline, pure energy. For travelers, it's one of those once-in-a-lifetime places. For filmmakers, it's a masterpiece already composed by nature. If you get the chance to see Iguazú in person, go. If not, this video might be the next best thing. Subscribe to Mandovids for more cinematic journeys around the world.